Hey there, welcome back to Speech Help for Kids. I'm Heather, and I am going to show you today how you can use Baby Shark in therapy or working with your child. So a lot of my patients right now that are younger love the song Baby Shark. So we sing Baby Shark and act it out. So wanted to give you some tips for the day of how you can incorporate Baby Shark into working with your children. So the first thing I have here is just a simple book. So it's like a puppet book where you put your finger in and the shark moves. So kids love to put their finger in and to pretend to be the shark. So what I like to do is just kind of read through the book and point out things and have them point to the different pictures in the book. And then you can also sing Baby Shark while you're doing it. So Baby Shark, it talks about a silly shark. So sometimes just being silly and having fun and playing with your kids is just a huge part of therapy or working with your child. So silly shark, and then it has happy shark, hungry shark. So you can talk about eating and what does the shark like to eat. This one has soapy shark, so you can talk about bath time in the water, and soapy shark in the bathtub. You could ask your child or your patient, if you're a therapist, to point to different things in the picture. So can you find the yellow duck? Or can you find a boat? So using books with kiddos is huge, huge, huge. I always am recommending books. I'm going to put lots and lots of books on this channel and ideas of how to work with your little one. The last one is sleepy shark. So the shark has to go night-night because he's tired. He's had a big, busy day. So we can say bye-bye to the shark. So that's one little book for Baby Shark that I recommend working with your child. Another one is puzzles. I love puzzles. And this is an interactive puzzle to where it sings Baby Shark. So I have the different pieces. I have Baby Shark, Mama Shark, Grandpa Shark, Daddy Shark, and Grandma Shark. So I'll have my patients hand me the baby shark and then it sings the song. So, and then acting it out with them. Baby shark, do, 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 do. So they love that. And then they have to find Daddy Shark. So where's Daddy Shark? There's Daddy Shark. Ask them what color Daddy Shark is. Blue, that's right. Good job. Shark, do, 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 do. Show his big mouth, Daddy Shark. And then Mama Shark. So showing Mommy Shark. Next one, Grandma Shark. So you show Grandma because she doesn't have any teeth. So Grandma Shark. And then lastly, Grandpa Shark. So he's a little bit bigger without teeth. So I love this interactive puzzle. This is a ping pong puzzle, and I'll have a link in the description to all three of these items that I'm talking about today. But kids love this with the song, and then when they take the pieces off, I have a bag for them to put the pieces in. So working on following directions by putting the pieces in the bag. So you can ask them, hand me the baby shark, or put the baby shark in the bag, put the mama shark in the bag, daddy shark in the bag. So that's a fun little way to work with the puzzle and Baby Shark. So they love that song. That's really popular right now. The last thing that I have that's part of my shark theme is the original melting shark. I love these. These are, I have multiple ones of these, and I'll do different videos on the ones that I have. So It kind of feels like Play-Doh. Kids love Play-Doh, but usually Play-Doh is pretty messy, so I tend to stay away from Play-Doh because it gets so messy. But the kids love to make the shark with the molding clay here, and then I ask them to hand me the different pieces. So it comes with the fins and the eyes and the mouth. So I'll have them work on following directions by hand me the mouth. So then they put the mouth on there, and then hand me one eye. So they'll put one eye on the shark, and then after that we can talk about two eyes. So when they hand me the second eye, then we can work on that plural with two eyes. So put the other eye on there, and then the shark has a tail. So hand me the tail. So I love these little molding things, like I said. So I'll have a link in the description below to those. So then we can pretend that the fish is swimming in the water. And then at the end, having the child clean up and following directions to put the pieces back in the box. So they love working with this, and it's not messy. So that's the part that I like the most, that I don't have a mess to clean up. So I hope you enjoyed those tips for today, just working on some play activities and language, following directions with your kiddos, and hopefully some fun little new materials if your kiddos are into Baby Shark and like Baby Shark. So thanks for watching today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. Bye-bye.